Hi, everyone. My name is Abel Kantoma. Today I'll quickly show you how to actually copy your planswift template and install it in your planswift. This is basically how this template looks like. All I need to do is to copy the files that are inside. So I can just copy these files, or I can copy the folder itself here. Just copy, and I'll come to my PC and I'll click on local dates, then come to program file 86, then I'll look for planswift, then I'll come to tools, sorry about that. Go to my data here, then you can see we have storage. Come to local and I'll click on template. I'll paste it here. So if I try to paste, now it will tell me to replace the file because I already have the files in this particular folder, so I wouldn't do that. I can just cancel that. So this is basically all you need to do. Once you do that, you come to your planswift. Just double click on planswift. So once you do that, when you open your planswift, all you need to do is to come here under templates, path inputs. You will see all the list of templates. By default, this is probably what you have on your own if you have never installed any templates on it. This is what you have, which is the default one. So if you click on this one that looks like a triangle, like an arrow pointing down, it will bring out a menu for you like this to pick all the existing templates that you must have installed on your planswift. And planswift template comes differently. There is another one that comes like this, whereby the installation is a bit different. But for this one that comes in form of files like this, which I copied as a folder, this is how to install it. There are other ones you need to come under your your template. When you come under your template, all you need to do is to click on this tab here. When you click on the tab, you look for the template. So this is one template I have here. So all I need to do is to click on open. So once you do that, it is going to import here. So template name already exists, so I'm not going to re-import it because I already have it on my system. So this is basically how to come about that. It's very simple and very straightforward, but this template is different from the other first one I did. The first one is just in folders, which you can see here. So they are just files. This one is like this. You can see these are files, so I just copied them. So if you open them, this is what you have them like this. So it's different from the other one. The other one you have to import it. So I hope this video is actually helpful, and make sure you stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you.